The main duty of a director within an organisation is to steer that organisation in the right direction, commercially, financially, whatever it is, but also, importantly, in the health and safety culture within that organisation. And it has to come from the top for it to be effective within that organisation. So the main duties of the director is to make sure compliance with the Health and Safety at Work Act 1974, all parts of it, but most importantly, Section 2, which is employer's duties to the employee, and to make sure that the whole organisation is aware of their duties to the company. The best way of instilling a good safety culture right throughout the organisation, again, is from the top. Leadership is the most important thing, but when you're recruiting managers, to make sure that their health and safety attitude is important, that nothing is more important than the health and safety when they're out on site, that risk assessments are done, method statements are completed and adhered to. It's important. People tend to think that some of the paperwork that we do, we insist on, is done, is just a tick box exercise, and once it's done, we can disregard it. But it is there to try and force a safe system of work to be put in place before anyone actually does anything. There's all sorts of help available to directors. There's the Health and Safety at Work Act, there's the legislation, the Management of Health and Safety at Work Regulations 1999, that still has an ACOP with it. Some of the regulations now don't have ACOPs with them. For instance, the CDM regulations, they now have what they call targeted guidance, which is very good guidance, and it's got some very good advice in there that isn't spelt out in legalese. It's spelt out in plain English of what people have to do to comply with the law and to keep people safe, because that's what we're trying to achieve here. And none of these laws are put there to trip people up or put obstacles in the way of people. They are there to keep everyone safe, make sure everyone goes home safely at the end of the working day and haven't been exposed to anything that may cause them problems in later life. So the way to go about it is, if you look at a task, find out the regulations that cover it. There will be an ACOP with that, or there'll be guidance, industry guidance or health and safety guidance, all freely available from the HSE website.